Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we would like to share our case study about water pollution at Pantai Esen Penang. Pantai Esen is a coastal area located in Pematang Damar Laut in the southern part of Penang, Malaysia. Before this, the beach was clean and important for fishing, tourism and recreational activities. It also helped support the local community and economy. However, in recent years, the condition of beach has become worse, especially in terms of water quality. The water is now dirty, dark and polluted, and this issue has gained public attention. This situation has also happened at the same time as a nearby development project called Silicon Island, which involved large-scale land reclamation. So, in this video, we will explain the issue, the problem and the possible solution for this case.
The main issue at Pantai Esen is severe decline in water quality. Observations have shown that the seawater has become dark, muddy and polluted. The shoreline is often covered with black sludge and a strong unpleasant odor is present in the area. In addition, there have been reports of dead marine organisms found along the beach. These conditions have made the beach unsuitable for recreational use and have negatively affected both the environment and the local community.
The issue at Pantai Esen goes far beyond simple, which is surface level pollution. What are we actually seeing is a breakdown in the natural functioning of the coastal ecosystem itself. Under normal conditions, wave and sea currents play an essential role in maintaining water quality by constantly moving and circulating the water. This movement helps to disperse pollutants, prevent waste from building up in one area and ensure the oxygen is evenly distributed throughout the water. However, at Pantai Esen, these natural processes appear to have been disrupted, likely due to the nearby coastal development such as the Silicon Island project. The construction of this artificial island can block or weaken the wave actions, causing the sea in the area to become much calmer than it should be. Because there are a fewer waves, sedimental like mud and sand are no longer carried away, but instead start to settle and accumulate along with the shoreline. This is why we can see the mud building up at the beach when the water becomes stagnant, polluted and waste material also begin to gather in the same area instead of being dispersed. Over time, this build-up reduces oxygen level in the water, creating an unhealthy environment where marine life struggles to survive or may even die off completely. This situation then turns into a self-reinforcing cycle of environment degradation, where the ecosystem lost its ability to recover naturally. If no effective action is taken, the damage could become permanent, leading to the long-term ecological harm and the loss of biodiversity in the area.
Okay, so now we move to proposed solution. For the first key solution is to restore natural coastal processes. The most important long-term solution is to overcome water pollution and sediment accumulation is to restore the natural movement of rivers and sea currents. Many environmental problems in coastal areas happen because reclamation projects and coastal structures block the natural water flow. As a result, polluted water and mud become trapped, causing the area to become dirty over time. Therefore, restoring proper water circulation is essential to improve water quality and reduce pollution. This can be achieved by redesigning or modifying coastal structures so that they do not interrupt the natural flow of seawater. In addition, water channels can be created to improve circulation and allow rivers and currents to move more freely. Future reclamation projects should also be carefully planned to ensure they do not block natural coastal processes. Without restoring water movement, pollution and sediment will continue to deter the affected area. Currently, the authorities have already implemented a short-term solution to reduce the problem. They are dredging or sucking out the accumulated mud and sediment from the polluted area. The removed sediment is then disposed of at the artificial beach because they do not yet have a permit to dispose of it elsewhere. This temporary measure helps reduce the build-up of mud and improve the condition of the water in the short term. For the long-term solution, larger improvements are expected to be carried out after the island reclamation project is completed. At that stage, the authorities plan to implement better coastal management and improve the natural flow of seawater around the area. These actions are important to ensure the pollution problem can be controlled more effectively and sustainably in the future.